Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we will be looking at a 250-gallon patio smoker with a single door and counterweight. We do have a 250-gallon barrel made of 7-gauge steel. The smoker does have a single door as well as 2 large top and bottom single racks. We have our Cool Touch handles as well as a work surface at the front of your patio smoker. We do have a warming box with measurements of 20 by 30 by 24. On the bottom of your warming box, you do have your smoke firebox with a tray as well. And then the top warming portion with 2 pull-out trays. This patio smoker does have 3 temperature gauges, 1 on your warming box and 2 on the smoker itself. There are 3 smoke outlets on your warming box, 2 on the far side and 1 on the rear. We do have a large top smoke outlet as well as the counterweight. You have your counterweight once your smoker is closed. Again, this is a patio smoker, so it is stagnant. If you are interested in this smoker or any other smoker we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.